Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl LavishBLU. I just got finished filming this look. This is a super coverage foundation tutorial. So if you guys really like this foundation that I'm wearing today, I ask that you leave your comments down in the comment section and check out the description box for any other information. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, if you guys are digging this look, then just keep on watching. I ain't got to really do all that talking and shit. I don't want to do all that talking. So y'all just let me just quit all that rambling and let's get to the video. But yeah, I'm going to be using black Opal foundation today, and yeah, let's just get right on with this video, because as you can see, I'm just doing a whole lot of talking. So yeah, these are the foundations, and it's 3 of them. This one is Nutmeg, this one is Truly Topaz, and this one is Beautiful Bronze. I'm going in with let me see, should I use Truly? I think I'm gonna use Truly Topaz first. And you guys, I do have oily skin, so in the summertime I kind of don't use black Opal, only because my skin is like super oily in the summertime for some reason. And in the wintertime, my face is a little bit on the normal to dry, I would say. Not really dry, but I would say just it's like combination. And yeah, I just found that the cream foundation is working good for me. And the brush that I'm going to be using to buff out this foundation is going to be my Morphe 439 brush, and this is a good dense brush. I mean, it feels really good, you guys. Okay, so I'm going with Truly Topaz. Now I'm going in with Nutmeg. And you guys, black Opal is a super full coverage foundation. And as you guys know by the title of this video, this is a full coverage foundation makeup tutorial. Now I'm going in with this brush, and I'm going to just buff it out. And you guys, you want to make sure that you just blend your neck, because you don't want your your face looking one way and your neck looking another color. It's just not what's up. So now that my face is like done, and I want to just get that excess. Yeah, so you guys see that makeup? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm going to go in with my MAC Match Master 7.0 concealer, and I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush because I don't know where my other brush is.
Real nigga shit. Other night at your crib, it was like me, black, 40, Obi.
With this beauty blender, and I'm going to just blend it out. I noticed that works good for the cream foundation. After you get finished with blending, take your brush and then just smooth the edges out, because it's cream foundation and sometimes it's just a little hard to blend. So I like to keep my brush in my other hand so that I can just take that out. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm going to use this to contour my face. bronze. Sorry if I'm not looking directly into the lens on the camera, but that's only because how my camera is set up, I can't, you know, see if my camera cut off. So in order for me to see if my camera cut off, or, you know, like start recording, I have to set this mirror that's like kind of to the side of my camera so that I can see you guys. So yeah, that's just how, you know, I have to, you know. But if you want to see like a filming setup, if you want me to film that, I will. I don't mind. And I'm just going to go in with this same brush that I use for that matte concealer. I'm going to use that for this right here. Understand, like, it's so much, like, it's not easy to fucking film. Like I be so damn clumsy and shit. I hate it. I just want to take it.
You act like I'm asking so much out of you. Don't forget all the options that I could have to. Got a line of them waiting to do more than you. You're my one, not the only. I thought that you knew better.
I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics contour brush, and I'm going to take this contour brush and I'm going to just blend out my contour.
And letting the people know what it is. I'm tired, my patience is running thin. We call it quits. You know I got that real loving. If you want it, better say something.
I'm going with this beauty blender and I'm going to just blend out all of that. My camera cut off again. I'm gonna go in with Truly Topaz and just, you know, sharpen up that contour.
If you want it, better say something. It's not all of you, I want nothing, 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 no, no. And they know how much I want you, they do. And they know how much I need you, they do. And they know how much I love you, they do. So can we figure this out? We gotta figure it. They don't know how much you want me, and they don't know how much you need me, and they don't know how much you love me. Can we figure this out? We gotta figure it out. We gotta figure it out. Nobody knows, nobody knows. Said you wanna fall in love.
And you guys, like, I'm so scared because for one, y'all know I always do my eyeshadow first, but I decided to do my face first, and yeah, that's just what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be taking this Morphe palette, and this is the 35T palette, so it just has a bunch of like purples and shit. And this is how it looks. So this brush that I'm using is the BH Cosmetics B5 brush. I don't know what collection it's from, but it's the brush that I got. And I'm going to be taking this little purple shade right here, and I'm going to just put that all over my crease.
the one and only. Steady trying to pick
And let's play some music.
even though I hear the time gets lonely. We could live on a money plane, early morning to the late night. Gotta grind till I get it right. Up in the booth, I'm in my zone. I don't care what you say.
I kind of want it to be like real pigmented, so I'm going to just keep packing that color on to my face. That's just what I'm gonna do. Okay, so moving on. Now that I done went in with that shade, I'm going to go in with another shade. And I'm going to use this brush right here from Beach Cosmetics. And this is the number 7. Ooh, it's really
The night at your crib, that was like me, black, 40, Obi.
Okay, so now I'm done with this palette right here. I'm going to, you know, like blend that out. Once I blend that out, I'm then going to go in with my Sephora Pro palette. I'm going in with this Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to blend.
Cause everybody knows I rock with you. Nobody knows you go with me, and I know it. Cause you're never trying to show.
Okay, now I'm going in with another purple, and this is the Sephora Pro palette that I've been telling you guys about. I know this mirror is like kind of like bugging y'all. But yeah, I turned it upside down so that the glass, you know, like y'all wouldn't see yourself or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to be going in with this purple shade right here. And then I may put this in the crease as well. I don't know yet. I may put some black in there. I don't know. But I know one of these colors down here is going to be the color that I'm going to, you know, like put on my lid or whatnot.
We don't have to play by the rules, but
Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to just blend it out.
I've been trying to keep my cool about these other females.
I'm gonna take this NYX what is it? Eyeshadow base in blue. So that is in blue. And put that right here on my lid. But y'all, and that's what I'm doing.
Rock with you. Are you taking the things that I say as a joke? Cause I could just leave you, don't think that I won't. Them girls too, they offer you things that I don't. If you pay them no mind, should you mind if they know? You act like I'm asking so much out of you. Don't forget all the options that I could have too. Got a line of them waiting to do more than you. You're my one, not the only. I thought that you knew better than I. No, this ain't no movie, stop trying to act like there is no reason you've been holding back from this. And letting the people know what it is. I'm tired, my patience is running thin. We call it quits. Cause you know I got that real loving. If you want it, better say something.
For today.
I can't have
And
all
this is
of
from
you.
the NYX lingerie.
Nothing, no. And they know how much I want you. They do. And they know how much I need you.
I don't know, I might do a little dark lip
And they know how much I love you. They do.
Purple is cute
So
too.
can we figure this out?
Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Good Fit. And I'm going in with this color right here. You have to be real careful with this because it's like really creepy.
We gotta figure you want it, better say something. It's not all of you, I want nothing, nothing, nothing.
Now that I put my highlighter on, I'm gonna spray my face and stuff.
And they know how much I need you. They do. And they know how much I love you. They do. So can we figure this out? We gotta figure it. They don't know how much you want me. And they don't know how much you need me. And they don't know how much you love me. Can we figure this out? We gotta figure it
That's
out.
like so freaking dope. Like I just love it.
We gotta figure it out.
Alright you guys, that was the end of this tutorial, and if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, let me know, and I promise you guys I'm going to come so hard this year with my tutorials, because I kind of miss like doing videos. I'm not going to say kind of miss doing videos, because like I do. And I do apologize for slacking with you guys on my tutorials, but I promise you that I'm going to be more consistent with my videos and my content. Like, I'm gonna try to be more creative with my content, because I don't want you guys to like be bored and shit. So I'm kind of like
I would probably do it all over again.